In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter AI to transcribe. Whether you want to capture a live conversation or turn an existing audio or video file into text, I'll walk you through both options so you know exactly what to click and what to expect. First, open your browser and go to otter.ai. Once you're on the home page, you'll see key controls along the top right. Otter is a web-based transcription tool, so everything happens right here in your browser. No special software required. Make sure you're on a reliable internet connection so uploads and processing run smoothly. If you want to capture something in real time, look to the top right and click record. Your browser may ask for permission to use your microphone. Allow it so Otter can hear you. Then simply start speaking. You'll see words appear on the screen as Otter transcribes you live, which is helpful for confirming it's picking you up clearly. For best results, speak at a steady pace, reduce background noise, and keep the microphone close. If you're near a fan or window, move a little farther away. Clear audio will always produce a cleaner transcript. If you already have an audio or video file you want to transcribe instead, use the import option at the top right. This lets you process recordings you've made elsewhere, like a meeting, lecture, or interview. You can drag and drop your file directly into the window, which is usually the fastest method. Most common audio and video formats are supported, and higher quality recordings typically yield better accuracy. Prefer to select a file the traditional way? Click Browse Files, choose your file from your computer, and then click Open. After you've added the file, whether by drag and drop or browsing, you'll see the file appear in Otter, ready to be processed. Large files may take a moment to upload, so give it time to finish. When your file is ready, click Go to Transcribe. This opens the transcription view where Otter begins turning your audio into text. You'll see a status indicator while it processes. That page is where you can watch the progress and then review the transcript once it's complete. If you ever switch back to live recording later, you'll follow the same pattern. Use record, start speaking, and Otter will handle the transcription in real time. That's all there is to it. Go to otter.ai, use record for live speech, or import to upload existing files, then click Go to Transcribe to see your results come to life.